Deep in the woods lived a little deer. She was the cutest deer with the softest fur and the biggest, brightest eyes. One day she was grazing in a field when she saw something strange. There was a bright light coming from between the trees, and it was moving around. She had never seen anything like it before. She wanted to get closer, but something inside her was afraid. She wanted to follow the light, but she was also scared of the dark. As the little deer stood there, the light suddenly stopped moving. It grew larger, and the deer could hear a voice. "Little deer, come follow me." The voice was kind and gentle, and it seemed to be coming from the light itself. The deer took a step forward, then another and another. She walked right up to the edge of the woods and stopped. She could see the light clearly now. It was a firefly. "Hello," said the deer. "I'm here to help you," replied the firefly. "I can show you the way through the woods so you don't have to be scared of the dark anymore." The deer looked at the firefly, then back into the woods. She thought about how nice it would be to not be afraid anymore. She could run and play with all the other animals without hiding in the bushes or standing still as a statue. Taking a deep breath, she stepped out from behind the tree. She felt the soft grass beneath her hooves and listened to the birds singing in the trees. It was so peaceful. The deer looked back at the firefly. "Thank you," she whispered. "You're welcome," said the firefly. "Now let's go." And with that, the two friends were off and running through the woods. They ran past tall trees and over babbling brooks. They played hide-and-seek amongst the bushes and raced each other to the top of the hills. The deer laughed and shouted with glee. She wasn't scared anymore, not one bit. The firefly flew ahead of her, always leading her to new places she'd never seen before. After a while, they came to a big open field. The deer stopped to catch her breath. She looked back at the woods. She didn't recognize it, but she knew she wasn't scared. Not anymore. She took another deep breath and walked back into the woods, her head held high. She didn't need the firefly anymore. She could find her own way now. As the sun began to set, the deer found a cozy spot to curl up in. She closed her eyes, thinking about how lucky she was to have a friend like the firefly. She smiled, knowing that no matter what, she would never be truly lost or alone.